Hi, when is the last time you got some great ideas for your home? I want to take you on a tour of a lovely garden home that I think will inspire you. Let me know what you think with a comment. Let's push the button. Here's our coffee break. If you like these kinds of videos, please share this and subscribe. We love making these videos and just need to know what you are interested in. Thanks for watching, and thanks if you are already part of the family.
We also added a large timber deck with seats for the owner to host big gatherings, which not only looks like an amphitheater, but also functions as one. With the lush tropical backyard, this space has become a close hidden retreat for the family to spend time together or wind down and relax after a long day.
Thanks for coming on our home tour. I hope it inspires you to do the things you want to do to make your home a great place.